I'm sure you've heard the news. AI can now read your emotions just from what you type. Hi, I'm Pankaj Sharma, and with my background in AI and technology, I'm here to break it all down for you. Ever left a review or tweeted about a brand? Chances are some algorithm out there was analyzing your words, figuring out if you loved or hated the experience. This magic is called sentiment analysis. In simple terms, it's how computers understand feelings hidden in text, like joy, anger, or even sarcasm. The basics? Well, an AI is trained on a mountain of examples, learning which words usually mean something positive, negative, or neutral. If you write, "This phone is awesome," that's a win. If you type, "Battery life is trash," that's a red flag. But here's the twist. Language isn't always straightforward. Words change meaning depending on how you use them. This app is sick. Are you saying it's cool or that it's broken? That's where things get tricky. Advanced AIs, thanks to deep learning, can now spot context, emojis, even slang. They're getting better at understanding us, sometimes better than people do. So why should you care? Well, sentiment analysis powers everything from customer service bots to the content you see on social media. It helps companies understand what people really think. But it's not perfect. Sometimes the AI totally misses the mark, especially with sarcasm or cultural references. Still, every message you send is helping these systems get smarter. So, next time you vent online, there's a good chance a machine somewhere is trying to read between the lines. Wild, right? Let's break down how AI turns words into numbers. Imagine you have the word happy. Computers can't understand words directly, so they use techniques to convert them into numbers. One simple way is called one-hot encoding. Each word gets its own spot in a list. If you have happy, sad, excited, happy becomes 1, 0, 0. Sad is 0, 1, 0, and so on. But there's a smarter way, word embeddings. Here, words are turned into lists of numbers that capture meaning. For example, happy might become 0.8, 0.1, 0.3, and joyful could be 0.79, 0.12, 0.29. These numbers are close because the words are similar. This way, AI can spot patterns and understand context, making sentiment analysis much more accurate. Let's see how sentiment analysis works in real life. Imagine getting tons of feedback. AI can quickly turn those words into emotions like positive, negative, or neutral, and even assign a score to show how strong the sentiment is. Notice how each comment not only gets a label but also a score. A score of 0.90 positive shows very strong satisfaction, whereas a 0.55 neutral score shows mixed feelings. This helps companies prioritize which feedback needs attention first. Take this example of an app. Positive comments like "the update is amazing" are classified as positive. Neutral feedback such as "service was okay" is tagged as neutral. But complaints like "the website keeps crashing" get flagged as negative. In seconds, AI can analyze thousands of such reviews and give companies a clear picture of user satisfaction. In some cases, AI even assigns probabilities. For instance, "the food was delicious, but the service was slow" could be 65% positive, 30% negative, and 5% neutral. Since positive is highest, the final label is positive. Now let's look at restaurant reviews. Comments praising food and stuff are marked positive. Neutral reviews point out mixed experiences, while complaints about cold food or noisy spaces are flagged negative. Businesses use this to quickly spot what's working and what needs improvement. This is the power of sentiment analysis. Whether it's app feedback or restaurant reviews, AI helps organizations instantly understand customer emotions at scale, something that would take humans hours or even days to process